What's going on, YouTube? So today we're going to replace the ESC of the ARRMA VORTEX. So this is my first time to replace ESC, because this ESC I gonna run just an hour ago, still the same. It is LVC for 5 minutes to 6 minutes LVC. So we gonna change the ESC, guys. We have a quick run ESC, 120 amp. That's we're trying to fix this problem. So first I'm gonna have the program card, so this will helps later. And then in here I gonna open this already. So this is our 120 amp brushless electronic speed controller, quick run, Hobbywing, and this is it. So to start with, guys, so I gonna choose the TRX plug because I got Traxxas battery, and this one is the quick run 10BL 120 amp, but they don't include the double-sided tape here, so I'm gonna keep this in mind how to put it here. So here's the manual, and there's a sticker. It's a Hobbywing sticker here, and then this is the program that we're going to stick in the program card. And then the manual. So this user manual, it's all dialect here, but we're gonna find the English version. So this is it. Before using the product, read the instruction manual carefully. Ensure that the equipment is used appropriate to avoid damaging the AC. Wrong usage will overheat and damage the electronics. It is important to ensure that all wires soldered are properly secured to avoid short circuit from happening. That is one. Don't need soldered. Okay, very nice. So I think it's all done. So peak current 150 amp to 950 amp. Oh. That's for the 150. The 10BL 120 amp to 750 amp. Excuse. It is a sensorless or sensored brushless motor, only in sensorless mode. So 110 short course track, monster track, 2S LiPo, KV 6352 size motor with 3S LiPo 3660 size motor, and 4S LiPo 2600 4286 size motor, 6 volts to 7.4 volts adjustable, continuous current 5 amps switch mode, powered by built-in BIC, 5 to length, and then the width, and then the motor, then the grams, independent programming connection. So in the connection, you will see center is the center. So there's some programming method. Turn on the transmitter. Ensure all parameters on the throttle channel are in default 100% for transmitter without LCD. Please turn the knob to the maximum and throttle trim to 0. If transmitter without LCD, turn the knob to the middle point. You don't need to do this step if the transmitter setting are default. By turning on the transmitter with the ESC turned off but connected to a battery, holding the set button and press the on and off button and read the LED flashing on, the ESC starts flashing, the motor beeps at the same time, and the set button immediately. Note, beeps from the motor may be low sometimes, and you can check the LED status instead. Move the throttle trigger to the neutral. The green LED once motors, then move the throttle trigger to the end position of forward and press the set button. Then move the throttle position to the backward and press the set button. Then set the neutral point, the full throttle end points of the full brake ends. Leave the transmitter at the neutral position. Press the set button and red LED dies out and green LED flashing one time and the motor beeps one time to accept the neutral position. Pull the throttle trigger to the full throttle position. Press the set button. Program method. The LED or LCD G2 program box is used for the parameter. The ESC is in off state. Connect the 3-pin setting interface on the ESC with the interface marked positive on the program box to the polarity of the cable and the plug in both ends. The power on Then power on the ESC. Few seconds, all parameters of ESC can be displayed using the item and value button on the program card. To quick select the and change the value, press OK. To save parameter, LED program, electronics, receiver, and then battery. Below and several ways to recover factory parameter. The set button. When the throttle trigger is in neutral position, press and hold the set button continuously for about 10 seconds. The red and green light will flash at the same time, indicating that the factory reset is successfully and needs to be repowered before it can be run. The LED program card. Once the LED program card is connected, the ESC, press the reset button key and then press OK to save and restore the factory setting. The run status indication. The throttle trigger is in the neutral point and the LED light are off. When advancing, the red light is constantly on, and when the throttle is at the full throttle, the green light is on. When reversing, the red light is constantly on, and the reversing force is set to 100%. The green light is also light when the throttle is at the maximum of the reverse. What the LED means when the relevant protection function is triggered. The red light flashing single flash tuck 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 enters the low voltage protection. The green light flash single flash tuck 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 enters the ESC overheat. Green light overheat di ay. The green light flashing tick 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 enters the current protection state. The green light flashing 5 tick enter the capacitor overheat protection state. So this is the column for the programmable items. Running mode. Option forward with brake. Option 2 forward reverse with brake. Option 3 forward with reverse. Cut off voltage disabled. F1 cut off voltage 2. Drag brake force up to 9. Punch, that's number 3. Punch level is up to 9. So ang default niya is level 5. And then maximum brake force is 50. So we can make it 75. Then maximum reverse force is 25. We can make it 50. Neutral range is 9, so still okay. Timing, lipo cell, automatic, BIC, 0.6.0 volts. Note, regarding the max BIC force parameter, the default value of the 150 is 50, while the quick run is 75. Regarding to the lipo cell parameter, quick run 150 supports 2S to 6S adjustable, while quick run 120 supports 2S, 3S, 4S adjustable. Running mode. Option 1, forward with brake. The vehicle can only move forward and has brake function. This is also commonly acceptable at races. Option 2, forward, reverse, and brake. Low voltage cutoff. This function is mainly to prevent excessive discharge of lithium battery causing damage. The ESC monitors the battery voltage at all times, and once the voltage falls below the set threshold, the power output is reduced, and then the power output is completely cut off after a few seconds. When the voltage protection is entered, the red LED flash in the red tuck tuck tuck. For NAMP battery is recommended to set the parameter to disable. Punch. Set 1 to 9 stage. The higher the set value, the faster the acceleration. Kindly take into consideration according to the sight, tire grip, and characteristic of the vehicle, configure, etc. and adhesive, because the tire to slip and the large acceleration current will have adverse effective on the ESC motor battery equipment. Drag brake force refers to the brake force generated with the motor and throttle trigger torque. Maximum brake, maximum reverse, neutral range. Timing. The timing has three functions. The maximum, the motor, and then increase the height of timing. Lipo cell. Set the correct value according to the actual number of lipo batteries used. Default is automatic calculated. BIC. The BIC supports 6 volts to 7.4. Generally, 6 volts is for the standard servos or suitable for high voltage servos. Please set according to the servos. Note, I do not set the BIC voltage above voltage of the servo, as this may damage the servo or even the ESC. Due to the characteristic of BIC circuit, this voltage definitely BIC. For quick run G2 ESC, when the BIC voltage is set to 7 and 2S LiPo is issued, the BIC cannot stable output, so therefore it is recommended to use 7.4 BIC when matching with 3S LiPo and above. So mag-BIC di ay adto sa 7.4. Below set when the throttle trigger is in the neutral. So at least we already read this, guys, so we have just a little bit idea. Just to gather some very tiny idea here, because like me, I'm a first timer, so it's very hard for me. So it's done reading, guys. So let's start for this ESC. So A, B, and C. So let's do this. So we're gonna take some Allen wrench. I'm gonna take this first. Oh, doesn't fit. I thought it's big. So I'm gonna put that aside. Okay. Oh, so straight away take off. So take off. This is nice one. So this will take off. So first thing first. So this one is in here. So I'm gonna look what is. I don't have lights in here. No lights. So it's pop up straight away, guys. So this will take off in here. Okay. Let's open this one here. So this is the sealed. So I'll take care of that. And then oh shit. Problem now how to connect this because it's different. Hmm? What the heck? There is a problem. How to connect this? So we get some problem here, guys, because does not matay ang bata. So it's different, guys. I got problem here. See, it should. Why is not taking off? It's a problem. It's a problem. E B C. So there's okay, no problem. Take all this. Take all this one. So this one is taking off, guys. Put it here. So in case this one is in here, sweet, yeah, if it's in here, guys, that's no problem. E to A. So how to put this one here? A to A, B to B. Okay, correct. C. Like that. And then I'm gonna put some laser here, so maybe it will roll straight away. And this one gonna put in the servo, but it's later. Like that. Put the battery. still good. Yeah, I have 24% of this battery. I still not yet connected to the servo. I have some problem in here, guys. Is this can take here? No. No. Because that is a 2-in-1. See? It's nothing. Because it is in here, guys. Because this is 2-in-1. Yeah. What? My God, guys, how to? I don't know for this. Because the controller will search this one. And I have new ESC. Wrong moves. Please help, guys. How to do this? I don't know. Oh my God. Because this one is 2-in-1. Please help me, guys. How to do this? Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.